So as the bank settles into its first full week as a designated outdoor refreshment area, some people are raising concerns about how big crowds came out this past weekend. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan is live right now at the banks. Josh, you've been looking into how the city is responding.
Yeah, Tanya, it's quiet out here right now, but we know from photos on social media and people who came down here that the Dora district at the banks was pretty crowded Saturday night. Now, a spokesperson for the banks says it was one of the best days for business since the pandemic started, but says they're encouraging people to space out and follow public health recommendations. Mayor John Cranley says we are not out of the pandemic yet and is reminding people to be careful with their own health. But those weekend crowds have some people concerned about how the city will monitor the new outdoor drinking district while trying to stop the spread of COVID-19. The bank says any spring day with good weather attracts large crowds and acknowledges Saturday was no exception. Mayor Cranley says the city will be keeping a closer eye on things going forward.
Tony Young from our health department is going to be working with the restaurants here and elsewhere to make sure that we're cognizant of the physical distancing requirements as we come out of COVID winter.
So it is an enormous footprint. And we certainly want folks when they come down to the Dora to be mindful of those health recommendations that are in place to help keep you safe.
The designated outdoor refreshment area opened last Thursday as a way to draw more people down to support the bars and restaurants here. The Banks points out people who come down can take their drink and spread out as far as they want from the people around them, and says as more people get used to using the Dora district, they'll naturally spread out and use more of the 85-acre space. Reporting live at the Banks, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.